Hey, it's Bortone, the online video guy and author of Video Marketing Rules, How to Win in a World Gone Video. And I want to invite you to a very important and valuable program called the 7-Day Video Creation Challenge. Now, you know, our challenges are really popular and fun and results oriented, and this one will be no exception. In fact, it may be the most important class you could take in 2019 because video has become so vital to marketing and promoting and building your business. So I want to show you dozens of ways, simple ways to create great video consistently. We're going to show you how to crank out video content on camera, off camera, live, pre-recorded, tools, tricks, tips, all kinds of amazing stuff. So in just 7 days, you can learn how to create quality video consistently. All the details are on this page. It's very affordable and very valuable, packed with content, great info, access to me, all that good stuff. So jump on in now and start your 2019 off right with the 7-Day Video Content Creation Challenge. See you there.